Beef Wellington, a classic dish known for its elegant layers of flavor and impressive presentation, often raises questions about its safety. The preparation involves sealing a tender beef fillet within layers of pastry, mushrooms, and sometimes pâté. While it may seem daunting to prepare, understanding potential risks can help ensure a delightful dining experience. One of the primary concerns when cooking beef Wellington arises from the beef itself. Using high-quality beef, preferably sourced from a reputable butcher, ensures that the meat is fresh and safe for consumption. The key is to ensure the beef is cooked to a safe internal temperature, ideally medium rare at around 130 degrees Celsius, 54 degrees. When cooking to this temperature, it's essential the meat is seared on high heat before being wrapped. This step not only enhances flavor, but also reduces the risk of harmful bacteria, making the dish both delicious and safe. The pastry layer, while providing a beautiful crust, also presents a challenge. An undercooked pastry can emit moisture and cause sogginess. Mindful baking is essential. To prevent this, chill the beef after searing and wrap it in a reduced liquid mixture to avoid moisture seeping into the pastry during cooking. Additionally, using a preheated oven at the right temperature creates that golden brown exterior while ensuring the beef is safely cooked through. Furthermore, the mushroom duxelles, an important component, must be properly prepared. Sautéing the mushrooms until most of the moisture has evaporated not only enhances flavor, but ensures there's no excess liquid that could compromise the pastry. The cooking process for each ingredient plays a crucial role in the overall safety of the dish. Uncooked or improperly handled components can lead to foodborne illnesses, so diligence in the kitchen is key. Lastly, the heightened perception of danger can lead to unnecessary anxiety surrounding beef Wellington. When prepared with care and respect for food safety guidelines, the dish is more than just safe. It's an impressive centerpiece that brings people together around the dining table. Enjoying beef Wellington signifies achievement in the culinary arts, showcasing not only skill, but also the joy of sharing food with loved ones. With attention to detail, your beef Wellington can shine both in safety and flavor.